guys, so when I was shopping at Fred Meyer's, I found these little skeleton hands right here. It's meant to hold a candle, but that is not what I'm using it for. They have two different sizes. They have the one that I used for my scissor holders here, and then they have the smaller one. So the smaller one, when I'm doing a sewing project and I've already picked the buttons out that I want to use, I'm going to put the buttons in here just to keep them safe so they don't get lost or mixed in with other things while I'm sewing if I've got multiple projects going. And this one I will be using to hold my scissors. And I'm going to use E6000 to glue it down. I'm going to use a lot of E6000 because it's going to put a nice solid coating on the bottom. Like that. I'm going to do it around the edges here. This doesn't have to be pretty because nobody's going to see it. Okay. Plop it in there like that. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and hit subscribe if you want to see more of my content. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Happy spooky season.